This is the before and this is the after. On this video, I'm going to show you a very easy way to fill in the gaps, the joints between any interlocking pavers that you may have poured on your own or you've purchased. The way to do that is with something called the Polymeric sand. This is an enhanced sand with a mixture of polymers, meaning glue. So this sort of acts like grout between tiles, but for outdoor applications of interlocking pavers. And make sure you check out our interactive flipbook where you find tools and renovation gadgets for any job you may have. Look in the description for the link. So this little walkway here, you can see that has been created out of those templates here. I'm going to leave a link in the description of the different types of templates that you could use to pour your own cement, so you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars buying pavers. So this is for all joints 1/16 inches to 4 inches thick. The thicker the joint, the more sand you're going to have to pour in. This is for about 100 square feet, and this pathway here is about 40 square feet, I would say, worth of sand. Now we already did it on this side, and this is sort of the end result. Now the polymeric sand does come in different colors: charcoal, black, caramel, tan. You can even make it white, but I wouldn't suggest it because with white you need to put a sealer down, and if you are interested in the sealer, I'm going to leave links in the description to sealers as well. Sealers are basically if you don't want it to stain. If you walk around with a juice cup, somebody spills on your joint, you're still going to get a stain, but with a sealer it's not going to. It's just going to bead off. All right, so let's finish off this walkway here. Obviously, the more polymeric sand that is between the joints, the better. And if you have sections, maybe you have older sand in there or dirt, then you want to dig it out. You can see that this is moving, right? So we want to dig around this to just add a little more of a dip. So when we pour the sand, it's going to go in between the joints and hold everything. All right, so let's open this up. Now when we pour it, don't pour everything at once. So a tip for you is if you have pavers like this, you're going to have sand trickling out. Put a paper tape right here on the side, and then that's going to keep it in place. And then you just take the tape off when it's dry. Yeah. All right, so now that we've done the whole pathway, entire bag went here, actually. I was wrong, it was about 100 square feet. We ended up putting sand on the edges here, so we pretty much used up the entire bag. But it looks much better, and it's much cheaper than pouring cement and a lot cleaner. Now the next step is to put a little mist of water, not too much. You don't want to have a huge spray, because if you have a huge spray, you're going to get the polymeric sand out of the joint. So you just want to kind of like mist it, and then you leave it drying for about an hour, maybe 2 hours. So let's put the water on. So just a little mist of water like that, and then we're just gonna go and walk it. Now you're gonna start seeing foam. That means that the polymer is activated. Just let the foam do its thing. It's gonna disappear when it's all dry. We're gonna change the spray a little. Worry about this, just means that it's good. Now, there's a lot of sand on this side, so make sure you get a little more water on here so it all activates. You could put a sealer down after this is all done. Again, you could have a wet look or a dry look. It's really up to you. I'm gonna leave links in the description. Make sure you click like, share, and click that bell to get notified of the latest videos. And if you're interested, also tune into other videos like porcelain cutting, paver cutting, interlocking. They're all on this channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.